Okay, so now I'm about how to use moving average for the signal. Okay, so the moving average is a trend. It's a trend indicator. Trend indicator, which means it shows you where is the trend. Okay, so by any chance, let me just go back and go back. I want to show you something. I'll start here. I've never planned this. It's just a random show up. If I've decided that whenever the moving average, the candlestick is above moving average, I take a buy, and then I took a buy here, you can see I would have made a lot of profit. Okay, so how moving average works is that every time when indicators are below moving average, it's a sell signal. And then every time when you see this candlestick above the moving average, it's a buy signal. You don't see the candlesticks above the moving average and then you say no, I will sell. No, I don't do that. That will be too much risky. You can only, like you can see now here, we can only project a buy. We can only project a buy here, because now you can see there's no, these indicators are moving above the moving average. And you can also see when you look at this moving average, it's going up. This is an uptrend. Okay, so what you can do, you can only execute a buy when this moving average is, when the candlesticks are above moving average. And then if you believe that this moving average is on uptrend, I'll show you where it began. It began very around, you can see, it's been long. It began here going up. It has never went down ever since. And everyone who placed a buy and held from here got little bit of something. Okay, so moving average, it's a trend indicator. Whether you want to use it as when the candlestick are below, I sell, or when I see moving average pointing down, I sell. When I see it going up, I buy, and then whatever what you want to use it. But it's a trend based indicator. And most of the time I won't say open trades based on what moving average says. I'll just say to you, just project. Like for example, now if I have another indicator that says I must buy, I can buy because moving average is allowing me. Okay, of course there are penalties where you will say if it moved, it went uptrend this long, I expect it to go downtrend a little bit, and then if it continues with the uptrend, then that's when I will buy. Because of the retracement stuff, I'll make videos about those ones. But now I think you understand what's a moving average. It's a trend based indicator. You only buy when the candlesticks are above it, you only sell when the candlesticks are below it. Not necessary to see that's the signal, but that's part of the signal. You may have another indicator that must confirm that, news to confirm that, weather, whatever that you are going to use, or price action to confirm that, but this is a trend based indicator. Okay, so this is all that I want to tell you in this course. Moving average is a trend based indicator. Sharp.